Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We talk about nouns.
practice questions, explanation
Of the rule.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay,
we'll
rules.
basically talk about the rules of the nouns. So some nouns have a special plural forms.
Yes, like
Yeah. So singular nouns that ends in a F or FE have plurals that ends with VES. For example,
wife, wives.
So here FE ends with FE will change into
wives with
VES.
the VES, taking away the F.
Yeah.
And then life, you'll take away the F and you'll take away the F and change that into a V and just add S.
Isn't it cool? It's different, totally different word, right?
Why? Wives.
Like.
Lives. Knives.
Yeah. So that's kind of the special plural format for the noun. Continue. Some animal names remain the same whether they are singular or plural. For example,
deer stays
deer.
Sheep stays sheep. Fish stays fish.
It's not fishes.
No!
What?
Never ever. Fishes don't.
Really?
Fish
Trout,
and fish. Trout and trout.
Moose
and moose.
So it could be one deer and two deer. One sheep or two sheep. Okay, that's also the special forms, right?
And then part A. Underline the correct.
So now the exercise time.
Underline the correct plural form of each noun in the dark type. What do you mean by dark type?
So what?
Okay, let's just circle.
So what do you think? Which one of food?
Oopsie.
Plural form of foot. So one foot.
Two foot. No. Feet.
2 feet.
So let's say that is feet. The middle.
That's also a special forms, right?
Let's see if we're right.
Yeah.
Drum roll, please.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Next. Knife. Yeah, we'll read that.
Knives. Knifes.
Knives.
No, it's
Nice. So F-E
drum
out.
roll, please.
F-E out, V-E-S end.
Yeah, drum roll, please. Boom!
Next.
Knives.
Child. Children.
No, child. Oh no, it's children. No, it's children.
It's children.
Drum roll, please.
I have 2 children.
Drum roll, please.
Ta-da! Next.
Trout.
Yeah, we read that. Trout.
Yes, trout.
Trout.
Drum roll, please.
Ox.
Oxen. Oxen. No, oxen.
What's the difference between this and that?
Yeah, it's the same exact thing. I don't know why.
Just so tricky.
It's just oxen, by the way. It's these two.
Okay.
Drum roll, please. You should also circle this.
Yeah, it's the same. Okay, next.
Okay, next.
Catfish.
No way.
Yeah.
I almost said catfish, please.
There is a catfish.
Instead of drum roll. I said catfish instead of drum roll. Catfish, please. Okay, drum roll, please. Wait, which one do we think it is?
Catfish.
Yeah, middle.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Drum roll, please.
Ta-da! Okay, next.
Deer.
Oh dear.
Deer.
Deer will be deer.
Deer.
Will be deer.
Deer. I think it's the middle. Drum roll, please.
Ta-da! Okay, next.
The last one.
Toothies.
Tooth.
I never heard of these toothies.
Okay, teeth.
I heard smoothies, not toothies.
Tooth. No, I mean teeth. Teeth.
That's the tricky one, right? The special plural forms.
Like feet.
Yeah.
Babies. Foot. Feet.
Okay, keep
3, 2,
going.
1. Drum roll, please.
Too dramatically.
Man,
Calm down, little girl. Calm down, you
You
young
calm
girl.
down.
You
big
young girl, calm down.
You calm down.
Mouse, moose.
Same thing.
Mice.
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 Yeah.
Mice, not moose.
Yeah.
Moose. Moosino.
Moosey.
Drum roll. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Drum roll, please.
Calm down, little young girl.
Mice.
Next.
Drum roll.
Goose, geese.
Drum roll. Geese.
Yeah.
Drum roll, please.
One goose, two geese.
Hey, you have to do it for the last one.
Drum roll, please. It didn't come. What happened? Okay, okay, relax. Okay, next. Yeah, write the plural form for the noun of the noun in the parentheses to complete each sentence.
Panda.
Each sentence.
Yeah.
So many men study conversation
Conversation.
or the wise use of
wise.
resources.
Yes. Okay, I think it's men.
Men, yeah,
Not
that's a special
man.
format, yeah.
Not mans, men.
Yeah,
Called, spelled M-E-N.
N. Okay, let's see. if
Let's
you're right.
see.
Right.
Yay!
Next,
Woman.
yeah.
Woman.
As well as
Woman.
men can be conversationists.
I don't know how to say that.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's
Women.
woman.
Women. Yeah.
Spelled W-O-M-E-N.
English is crazy.
3. Drum roll, please.
Okay, Rina. It's okay.
Woman.
Come on, next.
I will never calm down.
Yeah.
Same thing?
So,
Oh, wait, no.
Yeah. Same
Oh,
thing.
yeah, same thing.
Just read the sentence. Biologists can maintain fish
Fish.
at the hatchery.
I think it's still fish.
Yeah.
Remember we did this one?
Mm-hmm.
Fish.
Yeah.
Yay! Conversation.
It's conversation or conservationist can shelters herd of.
Moose.
Mm-hmm.
Moose. It's a cow.
Okay, go.
Moose. Okay.
Okay.
Moose. It's still moose.
Okay.
Moose.
Moose, not mice.
Moosey.
They may even count how many mouse live in an area.
Mice.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Drum roll, please.
Yeah, you already did. Next. Yeah. Keep going.
Okay, good.
They can improve
Deer.
grazing lands for. Yeah, we read about it. Yeah, now practice time. Yeah, good.
I'm just gonna do this now.
Overgrazing results when too many sheep
Just
graze
sheep by
in
itself.
an area too long.
Isn't it just sheep by itself?
Mm-hmm. I didn't know that. I thought sheep.
Sheep?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Yeah, that. Mm.
There's a sheep there, there's a sheep here, there's a sheep
Okay,
everywhere.
relax, young girl.
I'm not trying to relax.
Yeah. Keep going.
Okay.
Conservationists protect the
Lives.
of endangered species. Yeah,
Lives.
lives.
Take
Okay.
out the F-V-E-S.
Yeah, that's a special plural forms, right?
Lives.
Next, one flocks of goose were a common.
Sight. So geese. Let's say geese.
Next, yeah, you're right. Our child will need many
did this.
resources.
Children.
Yeah, you're right. That's all.
it.
So lots of practice and keep practicing noun, plural and singular. This will help you to make some sentences in future.
Yes. And bye-bye for now.
Bye, see ya.
Bye. See you in my
Take
next
care.
video.